Well, here she sits, guys. I am going into the Oil City Dyno Performance Shop on the 21st to get a new XClutch and a flywheel. So I decided to go through them. Got it back from Ford. They charged me $340 diagnostic, and I'm kind of a little bit mad because they already overrode on the diagnostic machines, and they couldn't give me a computer diagnostic on it because I told them, I could have told them the clutch was slipping. I didn't need a guy to drive around the lot saying, yeah, the clutch is slipping. And so I was a little mad at that. But yep, going to Oil City Dyno, and we'll see how they do with this job. They're the ones that usually do my oil change. We'll see how it goes. But in the meantime, wanted to show you guys my other hobbies. Let's roll that footage. So while my car's in the shop, I wanted to show you guys some of my other hobbies. And one of my other hobbies is home theater or home audio. And while I've been working on this for probably the past 7 years roughly, I put a lot of sweat and money into this, but it's been spanned out. Haven't taken any loans out, but it's still a work in progress. Not currently actively working on it since I've been putting money towards the car, but still at some point I hope to get this room in tip-top shape and be able to have people over and be able to enjoy it. So I wanted to give you a walk around on my theater. So obviously I have some helpers here. Darla, say hello. Can you shake? Darla, shake. Say hello. Clyde over there. Yep. Hey, Clyde. He is just chilling. But yeah, wanted to show you guys around here. Over here, currently we have a hole in the wall. But I do have things back there, and I'll show you that here in a minute. But right now it's just a hole in the wall. I got some shelves in there. And right now I have a 7.2 channel Sony surround sound receiver. So not fully what I want. I would like possibly like an 11 channel to accommodate for Dolby Atmos sound like that. But yeah, that's my equipment over here. I got a home theater PC. I have a Xbox. My son has a Wii down here. And yeah, so right below here, I got a little extra monitor there for the home theater PC, but I do have a Polk Audio sub up here, and I got Polk Audio front speakers with a center channel, and I do have an extra center channel down there. But yeah, walking around, we got blackout curtains. Does have the 120-inch screen that I actually got from Best Buy when it was 50% off, so saved quite a bit of money there. And also, we do have smart switches. So those the switches nicely work with the Echo and the Google. And oh, whoops, woke it up. Cancel. So I'm able to come in, say something. So let's try this out. Echo, theater off. Echo, theater lights on. This turns all the lights on at full blast, but I did find out that if I leave them on full blast, on full all the way, this center switch does get warm. So yeah, I don't. This is more like cleaning mode. You try and get all the lights on to be able to clean up and vacuum and stuff like that. But so that'll help you with that. But for right now, I'm gonna turn off the or turn down the side lights. That way they don't. Hopefully that switch doesn't overheat. But yeah, we got double swinging doors. Kind of makeshift those with some hinges and stuff. And We got wall sconces, and tried to make a nice aesthetic here. I tried to make it to where it's not flat walls. So as you notice, there's kind of a layer there where the lights are. Kind of sticks out there. I do have step lights here. When this is all said and done, I would like to have this couch up against the stack there, so you obviously wouldn't have a cord hanging there and stuff. And then this second row would be back a little bit. And I'd love to get rid of this corner piece back here, but this was a sectional couch, and nobody wants to buy just a corner piece. So, but yeah, we got a couple sets of surround sound speakers on the sides. I got my LED lights up around the outside there, and I got 2 surround back speakers here. Right now they're just insignia, just because of what I had. And on the back of the wall here, I actually do have. I did wire up 3 spots back here for subs. There's one behind there that you can't see, but I did wire 3 RCA jacks back here. That way, a person could set it up with multiple subs, or whatever sounds better for the room, for it to be on the left, the right, the center. Side surrounds are definitive technology. And back here, my son did print some 3D stuff, so we can hang our controllers back here and put some stuff away back here. We do have a little setup back here for him. We do like to play Xbox, and this is so we can be in the same room. And so he's got a little screen back here to play Xbox with me, and so we can converse in the same room instead of having to use our headsets. So nice little step up here. And one thing that I would probably change is I do need to make a platform for the rear couch, as the angle here is not quite the right to where if you're sitting in the front row and you don't put your chairs back, the back row, the bottom of the screen is right at head level. So when you say down in front kind of thing, as long as everybody in the front row reclines, it's actually not too bad. We got can lights in the ceiling, but also in the ceiling, I actually have this set up to where I did put ceiling speakers in. So we actually have a center channel up here. I do have 2 lights up there that I've undid. I have red lights in them just to kind of give it some flair. But I also have speakers up here and right over here, and those are supposed to be the kind of the front Dolby Atmos speakers. And then back here in the corners, I actually have speakers there and there, and those are for the kind of the rear Dolby Atmos surround. Once I get the receiver, that will do all the Dolby Atmos stuff, which my current one does, but I don't have enough channels on it to run all of these. So technically right now, the front one is set to the center channel. These 2 on the sides are actually set to the front 2 speakers, and those 2 are actually set to the rears, the surround back speakers. So I got all that set up. Fully electric recliners, where the headrests come up and everything. So I really like those. And I actually have a X Jimmy projector here with I don't use the audio in it, but it's got the Harman and Kardon speakers in it. But I did wire this up to where everything's through the ceiling, wired to over there. So when I built this room, it actually it's all wired in. So everything's nice and neat up there. But yeah, this is my theater. And I will go ahead and show you the rear, which makes it nice because this hole here makes it to where I don't have to pull out my any of the equipment to get to the wires, and I will show you guys the rear part of it. All right, guys. So here's underneath my stairs. I got a curtain up here to kind of prevent some of the sound from the furnace and stuff coming through. And haven't finished this side of the wall yet, but don't pay attention to the man behind the curtain, right? As you can see here, here's the back of my receiver. And right now my NAS, network attached storage, is down. That's where all my movies and stuff is stored. But right now it's down, so I'm kind of waiting for the money to get a replacement, maybe on eBay or something, and hopefully I can get all my movies back up and working. But the back of my home theater PC, and obviously wires are a little messed back there, but this is where the internet and everything comes in and goes to the rest of the house. So I do have shelves here that I can actually move up and down, and yeah, that's kind of the way I built it back here. The other cool thing I wanted to show you with the lights and stuff, with it being smart controlled and stuff, I can actually do multiple things with the lights. So I can say Echo Theater LED Red. Boom. Echo Theater LED Blue. Boom. So I wonder if this one would work. Echo Theater LED 7 color fading. Okay, yep, that one didn't work. But with the app, I can actually change it to where it'll do multiple colors and stuff. But cool thing is I can say Echo Showtime. Automatically dims the lights. Hopefully you guys can see this. Puts the step lights on. That way, if somebody does need to get down, they can do that. But not sure if you guys will be able to hear the surround sound, as I don't think the 360 camera does like full-on surround sound. And obviously, if you're watching this on a PC, you only got the 2 speakers and whatnot. But unless you got an elaborate PC setup, but wanted to kind of give you guys a demo of one of the Dolby videos that I have. I don't have my favorite one since the NAS is down. That's where all my videos are. But wanted to give you guys a demo of this. Let's turn this up a little bit. And so here we go.
Prepare to experience something spectacular with the sight and sound of Dolby technology. This is Dolby Atmos. Now, sound moves around you in 3-dimensional space with breathtaking audio quality. It brings the on-screen action alive and immerses you in every moment. Whether the soundscape sets the mood of a scene, or captures the full extent of nature's fury. It's just the beginning of Dolby Vision, because what you thought was black isn't. This is black. This is contrast that delivers greater detail and dimensionality. This is luminance that means the difference between white and pure energy. Energy that is about to reveal an entire universe of color that will transform your viewing experience.
Echo, theater can lights on. Hey, wanted to show you guys something outside my theater doors. I have a sideways TV, and what that's for is a moving movie poster or digital movie poster. It's hooked to my home theater PC, but most of the stuff runs off of the NAS or pulls the info from the NAS, and which is not up right now. But along with that and some other projects, my son and I are going to try and repair this arcade cabinet. It needs a new screen and a new controller board and stuff, so we'll be trying to work on that as well. But I will show you guys a few pictures here of what the digital movie poster looks like, and here they are. Well, that was a tour of my theater. I hope you guys enjoyed the tour. Hopefully we get the focus fixed. Yeah, we get back out on the road, do some cool 360 shots out around town, and I guess while I'm down and out without a car, I was going to try and get some Xbox playing, like Need for Speed and different things, with the FocusRS. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys are interested in watching some of that. Yeah. Give it a like. Please subscribe. All right, guys. Ford wanted to charge me almost $6,000 because it's not covered under warranty, but almost $6,000 to put a new XClutch in. And that would include the flywheel and everything, but I don't know what Ford's doing, but their labor rates are astronomical. And if I wanted to put a Ford clutch in, it would be roughly, almost $5,000, 45 to $5,000 to put a Ford clutch in. And I was not about to pay those prices. So I decided to take it down to Oil City Dyno, where it's going in on the 21st. Hopefully the parts will be in by then, and we'll get this thing back on the road.